So in this video, we're going to go over the installation of our Salesforce package for Foxit eSign. I have my link already. So once I visit this link, I will be prompted to log into my Salesforce account. And once this loads, we're going to make sure we install for all users, acknowledge, and at the bottom, you can see the app name, the version, and version number. So we'll click install, and this process might take a few minutes. Once installation is complete, it will let you know, and we're going to click done. And we can see in our installed packages, Foxit eSign for Salesforce with the version number. So now we can go to our app launcher and search Foxit for Foxit eSign. And for authentication and setup, we'll be taken to this page here to connect our account. So we have our region dropdown. In my case, I'm going to select North America. Then we'll click Take Me There. And we'll automatically be redirected to log into our account. So we can sign in and allow access. And we'll be redirected back to this screen just to show that we are logged in and it's been authenticated. So if we go back to Foxit eSign setup, we can see welcome, your username, and our different options down here to send out documents and create templates. But if you would like to log out, if this is not the account you would like to be on, we can click on this link here. And we'll see our named credentials. So this Foxit eSign named credential here will actually be saved on your account, whether you uninstall the package or upgrade it. But if you need to log out, what we can do is under the actions column, we have this drop-down arrow. We'll click delete and delete this named credential. And if we go back to the setup for Foxit eSign, we can connect to the right account once again.